I'm really craving a social life, but I just want to have pretty skin. Oh yeah, I'm back at you for another day of treatment. So today I'm actually wearing this new trend that makes me feel like I am a gymnast again. This color is just not showing up how it should be. So let me back up. How pretty is this? Neon pink everything. And I'm wearing these cool new little hair ties because every one of my hair ties has stretched out. My social life is non-existent because I care about my skin. I promised I wouldn't sing, and this is a great start. Hi, Cones. So I just got this really freaking cool bodysuit. Feeling it. It's so awesome. I needed some workout motivation to kind of work on the rest of my well-being, which is not just my skin, but my strength. So picked up this cool bodysuit. I will leave a link in the description below. I'm excited to start Pilates on the mat at my house, on the patio, feeling all the things. So let's get to it. I have officially been doing this for a week. So awesome. Oh my gosh. I did a little cleaning this morning too. I tried to clean up that area. I had some orders to finish. So seriously, you would never guess that before I hit record, the house is quiet and calm, all is well. And then this happens like always. Okay, so the box of the goods, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I do not know why I committed to doing something this long. 24 more days, my face is washed. I did my chest and my neck yesterday, so I'm gonna skip that today. I just don't wanna do it every single day. I kinda did, but I don't really have any like sun damage going on, but I will at least hit my neck. So that is the plan. Right. 1 second. God, everyone's just nuts. Stop. Poor cat just gets terrorized. Back at it. Today my skin is feeling very, very smooth. I'm feeling exceptionally smooth. I'm really gonna try to do this faster. Because they need to eat, I need to eat. This day has just flown by. I feel like for nothing going on in my life, I don't even know where the time is going. Because it's certainly not going to anything productive. I pretty much don't even know what I do all day. Dream about doing this. So we have a lot more days left. So far, if you've been following along since day 1, I feel that I've made good progress. I noticed that this little guy poked up. I think it started to yesterday, but it's definitely here today. So these wipes do bring out impurities. I have not had any cookies, but I want some. I'm so gonna get a cookie tonight, I think. Crumble cookies is my jam. That's what I'm craving, always, all the time. I made my HelloFresh dinner, or my lunch, and then it became lunch and dinner. So I can still hit my chest. I can do it. Might as well. But I'm really feeling these little hair ties. All the goods. Ugh. I stayed out of the sun today. I stayed out of the sun pretty much all week, besides driving. For this reason. I'm really feeling all the skincare love that I'm giving myself. It does feel really good. Just to give myself a couple minutes each day to improve something in my life. These things are awesome too, by the way. I'll leave a link to these slippers. I'm kind of just feeling this whole like comfy athleisure vibe in my life. There's nothing that motivates me more than new workout clothes. This wipe, this first step, definitely dries up really fast compared to the other one. I don't know why. I haven't been using my vitamin C serum like I do usually every day because I kind of just want to see what these wipes do on their own. So this is a really honest product review. I at night haven't even really been using my serum, my night serum that I usually use. I've just been rolling out my face in the morning. If I do makeup, I wash my face off, normal cleanser. I showed my cleanser in a previous video, and there's also a link in the description below to what I wash my face with. All right. Kind of gentle around my eye area. All right, here we go. Under 10 minutes, I promise. All right, we hit the neck. This poor cat. Okay. So that was step one. Moving on to step, wait, let me get the rest on my upper lip since it looks like I have a mustache. Surprisingly, I'm not more self-conscious about my skin. I've just kind of learned to accept it. And I found a really good foundation. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this foundation. This stuff just works so good. This is a CC cream. It covers amazing, absolutely amazing. And it's cruelty-free, which is even better. All right. Step two going on. I really hope this shows really good results, not just immediately, but like that my skin will kind of react maybe slowly to the sun because of this treatment. That it's not just gonna be like, oh, you have 30 days of great skin. Now what? This is all just come back. I am starting hot yoga again. So that's gonna be another thing that's gonna be interesting to see kind of like what happens. Like, is this gonna be a waste of time? Counterproductive? Or what do we do? This one's kind of has a slight burn today. Sometimes I feel like it's usually the first wipe. Today I feel this. Oh, I haven't done the backs of my hands in a while. We'll hit the hands today. There's enough product that you could pretty much wipe your whole body with this thing, I swear. All right. So I'm really proud of myself that I've accomplished quite a bit this past week. Not just with my skin, but everything. This 2-minute skin treatment is not 2 minutes. I do not know why it's even advertised as that. Really not sure. I'm hitting my eyebrows today. I'm gonna try to get a little closer to my eye area. All right, this baby's almost dry. So as you can see, we've made a little bit of progress. that spot is looking a little lighter. I just want to make sure that I'm hitting everything here. I've almost noticed that like this side's getting a little more melasma, and that this spot, but like this side has cleared up. I feel like this is kind of like a newer area. It's okay. I'm really pumped that I've gone through so many of these. Makes me so happy. Commitment is just not something that I like to do in my life. I don't like to commit to things. I like to just free it up. Whatever I feel like doing, I want to do. I don't want to have to sign up for things. I just want to do that day what I feel like doing. Unless it involves a plane ticket somewhere, then a little planning is okay. So, there we go. Dry to a dry. And that is day number 8. Simple as that. Working on my glow. Getting my glow on. And this is gonna pair really well with a glass of wine. Feels so good.